They broke us out.
Okay.
We're trying to
Take this
escape.
corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
Running the other side.
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on.
No wonder it's
There's
so
a clear path
slow.
to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention don't breach. Written at block 6 on level 3. There they are. Fire!
These escape pods just below us. Take the list down. Hurry! Hurry!
No, not up. I said down.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Brace the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
Stop! The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer the battle.
There's no escape. You might tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scappery's blocking. Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? I've got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir, You had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
So this is Batu Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, and hurry.
Rescue Bravo here. We have eyes on 2 pods descending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Back! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo!